earn, and staking. Can either of y'all tell the difference? I'll clarify. Spot is the most common type of crypto purchase. You hold it in a spot wallet, and you can use it whenever and however you like.
Guys, look at us, huh? Bonding, learning, and earning.
What do you mean by earning?
Well, like you can earn interest in your savings account, you can actually earn interest on crypto through Bybit Earn.
And staking. Don't forget about staking. You guys know about staking?
Yeah, I think we know a little bit about stakes. I mean, we always try to be the best and we fight for every point. So I think, the stakes couldn't be any higher.
Absolutely. In crypto, staking is another way to invest your holdings. It usually requires that you lock them up for a period of time, and in return, you might receive a reward.
Guys, I think we've learned a lot. Maybe we can pin down plans for later?
Sounds good.
Cheers.